रूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
स्लाइड संख्या कः? संख्या का?
विधिलिंग
विधिलिंग
कुर्मः वा? विधिलिंग
अद्य can we start with karmani, or I thought of one plan. Can we do like next lesson is tavatu and ta pratyaya, then the next lesson will be tavyat and anir.
Okay.
So we are not doing vidiling then? Last time we didn't do vidiling.
Yeah, we didn't do, but the practice sheets are there. If you want, like if we start karmani, it will go for 1 hour.
Ah, correct. Okay, no problem.
That's why I thought like we can go for karmani today, because it will take 1 full day. Karmani and bhave will can finish it. Otherwise, if you think, we can go for vidiling also.
No, that's fine. Okay. Whatever the group decides.
Just yakaraha eva bagini. We can skip that. Then it will become vidiling. So, yeah,
vidiling. Okay. Sorry. Okay.
No. I'm saying we'll go for karmani. Vidiling is just a matter of changing between these two, isn't it? It's okay.
Problem.
What is it? Changing what?
No. I was trying to compare vidiling with karmani. Don't worry. We will just proceed.
So karmani means we are going to do
like before that we'll like have an introduction about the dhatu types. So if this is completed, then bhave prayoga and karmani both will
okay.
be completed.
So this is which book?
RSS.
So that this I have taken from RSS as well as Bhasha Pravesha.
Okay.
This is notes actually. This is notes which we are updating every week, like the rules and cheat sheets kind of thing.
Okay.
So the important points we are gathering here in this, and the page numbers we are gathering in Parichaya Abhyasa. So dhatus, dhatavaha, sakarmakaha, akarmakaha, dvikarmakaha iti trida bhavanti. This we know. Sakarmakaha means they have the object karma padam. Patati, rakshati, karoti, archati, pashyati, janati, katati, smarati. These are sakarmakas, so they have karma padam. Akarmakas, they don't have karma padam. Like hasti, asati, nrityati, kridati, davati, roditi, dayate, vardate. So if first in order to find which is sakarmaka and akarmaka, we have to identify the kriya padam along with the kartur padam. Then we have to ask question, who is doing? Kam, kam, or kim? If we get an answer, that is the answer we get will be karma padam.
Okay. So dvikarmaka gets accommodated in the sakarmaka itself, right?
No, there is a special thing called dvikarmaka. It's there.
Yeah. But if you classify in sakarmaka, akarmaka,
it is also sakarmaka. It is a subtype of sakarmaka only. There are 2 karma padas. That is the only difference. Here, sakarmaka means it will have a karma padam. If it has 2 karma padam, we are distinguishing it as dvikarmaka. So next, dvikarmaka. Swapnaji, can you read this?
Yach, prach, vad इत्येतादृशाः उपरितनवाक्येषु प्रयुक्ताः धातवः द्विकर्मकाः यतः एतेषां कर्मद्वयं सम्भवति। द्विकर्मकप्रयोगे एकं कर्म प्रधानम् अपरं च गौणं भवति। ओके, गौणं कर्म यस्य कर्मणः अन्यविभक्ति प्राप्ति संभावना अस्ति तत् गौणं कर्म इति ज्ञातुं शक्यते। यथा भिक्षुकः धनिकं धनं याचति इत्यत्र धनिककर्मणः धनिकात् इति पंचमी विभक्तिः अपि भवितुम् अर्हति। अतः अत्र धनिकः गौणं कर्म भवति। Can you say that again?
If there are first we know that vikarmaka means there are 2 karma padam, that is 2 objects are there. So if one object is capable of getting converted to another vibhakti, then it is called as gauna karma.
Oh.
So in this sentence, bhikshukah dhanikam dhanam yachati. Atra dhanikam api karmapadam, dhanam api karmapadam eva. But dhanam will always remain in dvitiya only. It can be changed to dhanikat panchami. Any other vibhakti it can get converted. That is what is called as anya vibhakti prapti sambhavana. Possibility of getting another vibhakti.
Okay. So that becomes the gauna karma. Okay. Pradhana.
Swapna Bhagini, what page number is it?
No, she is just sharing this document.
This is actually notes. This is in Bhasha Pravesha.
Okay, what page number of Bhasha Pravesha is this? Any idea?
129.
Okay, dhanyawad.
Okay. 129. Okay. Pradhanam karma yasya karmanah sarvada कर्मत्वम एव भवति यत्र च अन्य विभक्तेः प्रयोगस्य संभावना नास्ति तत् प्रधानं कर्म. ओके. यथा भिक्षुकः धनिकं धनं याचति इत्यस्मिन् वाक्ये धनम् इत्यस्य सर्वदा कर्मत्वम् एव भवति. अतः तत्र द्वितीया विभक्तिः एव भवति. द्विकर्मकाः धातवः षोडश सन्ति. तेषां लट् लकारे प्रथमपुरुषैकवचनरूपाणि एवं भवन्ति. Want me to read this?
Yeah, we can read this.
Okay. Dogdhi yachati yach, pachati pach, dandayati danda, runadhi, right? Runadhi, rudh. Prichati prach, prach. Chinoti chi, braviti, bru. Shasti, shas. Jayati, ji. Matnati, manth. Mushnati, mush. Nayati, ni. Harati, r. Karshati, krish. Krisha. Vahati, vaha.
Actually, it should be
I didn't understand one. Why is it said it will always be in Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam?
Yeah, I didn't understand that either.
Tesham latlakara pradama, the first person ekavachanam roopam will be like this. That is what they are saying.
Oh, okay.
Tesham latlakara
Okay.
pradama purusha ekavachana roopani evam bhavanti. So
Okay,
their first person ekavachanam form will be like this. So dvikarmaka dhatu. So along with this, we also had this dvikarmaka in karmani. So they in the book karmani, before that we'll go for
one
this.
more thing in that list, the yach prach vad, yach and prach came, vad didn't come actually in the 16th.
So in prayoga vistaraha they have given yadyapi shodasha pariganitaha datavaha tad artakaha anye cha dvikarmakatvena nirdishtaha.
Okay. So anything which is
Anything
matching
which
the meaning
means
of the 16.
the same.
Okay. Meaning also is same is
Yeah. That vadati will also come in this.
So bru, I think braviti.
Braviti. So vadati will come. So yachati, so dasyati, dadati will also come in vikarmaka. But
What is Shasti?
Shasti means ordering, something like that, I think. Shashanam.
Okay.
I think so. So among these, vadati, prichati, yachati and nayati, these are prasiddhas. So once they are categorizing these 16 as two groups like duhadi and nyadihi. We'll come to that when we do the vikarmaka karmani prayoga. Before that, we'll go for prayogas. Saraswati Mahodaya, long time back, she sent a video with respect to karmani, kartari and bhave. In that, this tabular column was given. So it just copied from there.
Okay.
So Lavanyaji, can you go ahead and read?
Can you? Did we finish Vidhiling or we are skipping Vidhiling?
No, we didn't finish Vidhiling because karmani itself will go for 1 hour.
Okay.
Karmani and bhave.
Okay.
अस्तु कर्तरि शकुन्तला उद्यानं गच्छति प्रथम what are we trying to say कर्तृपदम is in प्रथमा विभक्ति कर्मपदम द्वितीया विभक्ति क्रियापदम परस्मै अथवा आत्मने सकर्मक अथवा अकर्मक अथवा द्विकर्मक कर्तृपदन अनुसरति अस्तु गच्छति will be in as per the कर्तृपदम here कर्मणि प्रयोगे प्रयोगः शकुन्तलया उद्यानं गम्यते कर्तृपदम will be in तृतीया विभक्ति कर्मपदम प्रथमा विभक्ति क्रियापदम केवलम आत्मनेपदी
आत्मनेपदी रूपम् इति
अस्तु केवलम आत्मनेपदी रूपं सकर्मक धातु कर्मपदम अनुसरति भावे प्रयोगे 3-1 बालेन हस्यते कर्तृपदम तृतीया विभक्ति कर्मपदम न भवति न संभवति क्रियापदम केवलम आत्मनेपदी रूपम अकर्मक धातु प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम एव सदा
So if it is akarmaka, then it will go in kartari. It is possible to have sakarmaka, akarmaka, or dvikarmaka. So if it is kartari and sakarmaka, it will go for karmani. If it is kartari and akarmaka, it will go for bhave.
Here we are talking about only those where we have the real kriya padam, not the equivalent kriya padams.
आत्मनेपदी रूपम् इति एव स्वीकरणीयं पठ्यते यकारः अस्ति तत् कारणात् तदनन्तरम् अन्तिमरूपमपि आत्मनेपदीवत् एव भविष्यति तत् कारणात् आत्मनेपदीवत् रूपं भविष्यति
yeah because even for karmani we have those tavyat anyar then ta pratyay those
no they are not pradhana kriya kalu pradhana kriya eva we have to we are talking about here not the gatva the other forms
I'm not talking about the gatva one
ta pratyaya tavyat and anyar
basically we are talking about tingat kriya only non tingat we are not talking
mostly it is and the atmanepadi roopam will be like this but also in karmani vidiling also has the atmanepadi roopam patet patyet iti eva asti kila
correct that is also tingat only
tingantam only
tingantam
vidiling vandet vidiling patet patyet its corresponding karmani roopam will be patyet. So either we can go for this karmani roopam of vidiling or we can go for tavyat or anyar. So there are two possibilities. अत्र अनिल महोदय भवान् एतत् करोतु
सकर्मका धातवः कर्तरि प्रयोगः कर्मणि प्रयोगः अकर्मका धातवः कर्तरि प्रयोगः भावे प्रयोगः कर्तरि सकर्मक प्रयोगः बालः ग्रन्थं पठति कर्मणि प्रयोगः बालेन ग्रन्थः पठ्यते अकर्मक प्रयोगः बालः हसति भावे प्रयोगः बालेन हस्यते
तदनन्तरं कर्मणि in dvikarmaka dhatus this also we discussed a lot. I'm just summarizing what we have what I have understood. If there is any mistake let me know. Like in this 16 dhatus, they are categorizing as duhadihi and nyadihi. So dhatus we know they are classifying as 10 ganas. Churadihi, vadik like that. They will also be called as like starting from that dhatu. Like that here duhadihi by duhadihi they mean duh, yach, pach, dand until mush. These 12 dhatus they are called as duhadihi. Duh adihi duhadihi. Like that ni adihi nyadihi. Ni harati karshati and vahati. These are called as nyadihi. These are given in karma what book is that prayoga vistaraha. So the first 12 are called as duhadihi and the last 4 are called as nyadihi. So in case of duhadihi, if duhadi dhatu is there, gauna padam changes to prathama vibhakti. And in case of nyadihi, Pradhana karma padam will change to Prathama Vibhakti. If the dhatu duh is there, then we have to identify the Gauna karma padam, and that Gauna karma padam will change to Prathama Vibhakti in Karmani.
Okay, so what you're saying is Duhadi in that case, Gaun Karma Pada gets Parivartana.
In case of Duhadi, all Gauna karma padam will change to Prathama.
Okay.
And I'm also checking because
You mean from Kartari, during Kartari to Karmani transformation?
Yes.
Okay, we should work on the Gauna Pada if it is Duhadi Dhatu. So.
And Gauna Pada is one that can be changed to another Vibhakti.
Yes.
I'm now sending an exercise based on this. It is from
Prayoga Vistara.
Okay. In the other four, basically, the Mukhya Karma Padam.
The Mukhya Karma Padam will change.
Okay.
And Kriya will follow the one which changed. This we had lot of confusion. So
I think in Prayoga Vistara book they have given it very clearly, the rules and the examples.
That is what I can read that.
Okay.
Based on that only I have written. If anybody is having the book, they can check. I have also asked Suganya ji to check on this.
Yeah, correct. That is correct.
Akhilaji, what is the page number?
Prayoga Vistaraha.
Prayoga Vistaraha 116.
Astu.
In 116 it is written Chatram Adhyapakena Chatram Prashnaha Prichyate. I will share the I have sent.
So another thing, Kriya Padam follows what? What did you say?
Which Karma Padam has changed? Whether it is Gauna Karma Padam or Pradhana Karma Padam, which Karma Padam has changed to Prathama Vibhakti, that the Kriya will follow.
Oh, is that also there in Prayog Vistara?
But I found it out based on the answers.
You have to send it on Signal, Akhila Modi?
Yeah.
Oh.
Swapna ji, I have sent you in Signal.
Oh. Just a minute.
There is one exercise. Mainly the exercise I have sent. Or we can come to this at the end after going through Karmani.
Page 119 you said?
Yeah.
119.
109, not 119, 116. 116, yeah. Maybe we can read this and discuss next week otherwise.
Okay. Because only this point was not clear. All other things are clear actually. In fact, in my notes, that's what is noted down. That
with regard to Kriya, right? Which Karma Padam Kriya follows?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, even I have a doubt on this. But here, based on the answers, I'm guessing. So we can check everyone of I have sent it to everyone, all five of us. We can check and then we can discuss about this next week.
Okay. Astu Mahodaya.
We can go for Karmani. So the Karmani Kartari Rupam is Patati, Patataha, Patanti, Patasi, Patataha, Patatha, Patami, Patavaha, Patanaha, and the corresponding Karmani Prayoga Rupam.
पठ्यते, पठ्यते, पठ्यन्ते, पठ्यसे, पठ्यते, पठ्यध्वे, पठ्ये, पठ्यावहे, पठ्यामहे.
And the Atmanepadi forms.
वन्दते, वन्देते, वन्दन्ते, वन्दसे, वन्देथे, वन्दध्वे, वन्दे, वन्दावहे, वन्दामहे, वन्द्यते, वन्देते, वन्द्यन्ते, वन्द्यसे, वन्देथे, वन्द्यध्वे, वन्दे, वन्द्यावहे, वन्द्यामहे.
So, and these are the special cases. So, Ji jiyate, Jayati jiyate. Jaya Bhagini, can you read this?
हाँ जी धातु जयति कर्तरि कर्मणि जीयते ची धातु चिनोति चीयते अधि 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 अधीते अधीयते धू धातु शृणोति श्रूयते स्तु धातु स्तौति स्तूयते धौ ध्यायति ध्यायते क्री धातु क्रीणाति क्रियते नी धातु नयति नीयते क्रू धातु करोति क्रियते ध्रू धातु धरति ध्रियते वृ धातु वृणोति व्रियते त्रु धातु तरति तीर्यते. What is vrinoti? Forgot what it is.
Vrinoti.
Vrinoti. Yeah, I can look it up. Tad vad vadati udyate vach dhatu vakti uchyate vapati उत्थते वह धातु वहति उह्यते.
Vrinoti is hide.
Hide. Okay. Astu. Vrinoti. I came across that word. Okay. What?
And this also ahvayati, he ahvayati ahuyate.
Ahuyate, ahvayati ahuyate. Dirgha bhavati. Okay, got it. Da dhatu diyate, dha dhiyate, pa dhatu piyate, ha dhatu hiyate, nirmiyate, ga dhatu giyate.
Priya Bhagini, can you read this?
Is it in a book? Because I'm on my phone and I'm squinting.
Oh, okay. Then someone else will read. It's everything is
Can
in the
you
book.
please zoom it a bit, Klaji?
Yeah, I was having trouble to look at it sometimes. Sorry.
How to zoom? Anyone? Any idea?
No, don't.
I think without clicking on that image, if you just increase the size, just take your focus out of that image. Don't click on it.
No.
Without clicking the image.
Undo. Just do Control Z.
Click elsewhere, somewhere else.
Okay,
and then,
okay.
Yeah, do a Control Z. Just to undo.
If you click somewhere else.
No, the 100%. You see above 100%. 100%
Yeah.
is there. Yeah, change that to say 200%. Yeah, that's all.
Okay, this is good.
Yeah.
Kru dhatu dhatu kartari karmani. Kru dhatu karoti kriyate. Mru dhatu कर्तरि म्रियते 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 एव वा नो चेंज वा परिवर्तनं नास्ति अत्र right is that right
Yeah, it is given like this
it
only.
says this
Yeah.
okay
Astu.
धृ धातु धरति ध्रियते भृ भरति भ्रियते आदृ आद्रियते आद्रियते एव जागृ जागर्ति जागर्यते जागृ जागर्ति जागर्यते कृ धातु क्रियति कियति
Kirati.
कीयते किरति किरति कीर्यते ओके कीर धातु किरति कीर्यते तृ तरति तीर्यते गृ गिरति गीर्यते जृ जरति जीर्यते प्र प्रणाति पूर्यते वृ वृणाति वूर्यते
I
So they
really
have,
hope we don't questions from these
I
dhatus.
know these last ones are challenging.
they have given the rule like if
I
ikara
was going to say that.
if it is hrasva ikara and hrasva ukara, it will become dirgha. Ji jiyate like this.
Okay.
If hrasva ukara is there, it will become dirgha ukara. And if it is dirgha ikara and dirgha ukara, it will become dirgha eva niyate and kriyate like that. And if there is rikara, then it will become kriyate rikara.
Okay, this is not bad.
Rukara is there, then becomes ri. If it is rukara, then ir. Tru tiriyate.
Oh, can you just go?
Okay.
Yeah. Da akara asti se diyate. If it is rasva ikara, it will become dirgha in karmani. If it is rasva ukara, then it will become dirgha ukara. If it is dirgha ikara, then it will become dirgha only.
Okay.
If it is rukara, then ri is added. Kr, ri, kriya, kriyate. Dr, driyate, vru, vriyate. If it is rukara, then ir is added. Tiryate.
Okay.
Yeah, but seems like there are still exceptions.
Yeah, this jagru, there is exception. Other than that, everything is correct only.
Yeah, and here also
Jag-
pre and we have exceptions.
Yeah, that they have given here. If there is pa varga and vakara, here they are given. Param rukarat purvam pa varga va vakaraha va bhavati chet tada ur rupena parivartanam bhavati. Puryate. If there is the rukarat purvam pa varga athava va varga asti chet, then uryate. Ur bhavishyati. So if we have to go through this daily, then only we can mess.
Yeah.
If you
Oh
go
my
through
God, so
the
many
tuition,
combinations. So many combinations.
So these are the rules with respect to karmani. Now if we can do the exercise. Then if you do the exercise, it becomes clear.
Makes sense, yeah.
Then karmani vakya vyavahara pradipa 434. Swapna ji is there? I'm not able to see.
I'm here.
Okay. Okay. The exercise 182 and 183 are simple only, but we can go. If you want to, if you can go fast, we can finish it.
Okay, you want to just do the
Yeah,
exercise?
Swapna ji, just you can read the dhatu and its karmani form.
Page 436 in
Yeah, page 436, Abhyasa 182.
Okay. Pat pathyate, raksh rakshyate. You want me to do like that, right?
Yeah.
Mil milyate, gam gamyate, sah sahyate, puj pujyate. You want me to do 5 each?
Yeah,
we are
5
doing
we
or?
can do. Lavanya ji.
ध्यायते खाद् खाद्यते त्यज त्यज्यते न्या न्यायते पत् पत्यते.
Anil ji.
Dah dahiyate, jap japyate.
Dahi. I'm not able to hear you.
Yeah, dahyate.
Dahyate.
Yeah, japyate, charvyate, ganyate, kupyate.
Priya Bhagini.
तत् कथ्यते घ्रियते
Grayate.
घ्रायते जीव
The
जिह्यते
dhatu, 180.
Priya Bhagini, I don't think we have gone to the complicated one, so I think this is straightforward.
oh, okay. Shall I continue?
Yeah, grayate.
Oh. घ्रायते जीव जीव्यते पाल्यते गर्ज्यते.
The next one will be easy only, 183.
Pal is not palyate, it's palyate.
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 But in
Palyate,
answer it is
not-
given as palyate only. In our
Anilji,
system it is given as palyate.
What are you saying? Palyate. What are you saying, Anilji?
Yeah,
Is
yeah.
it it's palyate?
No, palyate only. Priya Mahadev said palyate.
Palyate.
No, palyate. Okay.
Palyate. Okay. So it's palyate, right?
No, palyate.
Palyate, not palyate.
Pal is the root. Dhatu is pal.
Pa, half la, ya,
Yate.
yate.
Palyate.
So there is no akara after la. That's what I'm telling.
It's half
Yes,
la,
yes.
right?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, it's half la.
Yes.
Half la, you cannot put an
Palyate.
Palyate. Yes.
half la, ya. Te.
Samyuktaksharam. Then 183 seems simple. 184 is also simple. 185. Jaya Bhagini.
Okay.
185.
Okay. Da dhatu okay, diyate. Okay, diyate, diyate, diyante. Dha dhatu. Dhiyate, dhiyate, dhiyante. Pa dhatu, piyate, piyate, piyante. Ha dhatu, hiyate, hiyate, hiyante. Nirmiyate, nirmiyete, nirmiyante. Ga dhatu, giyate, giyete, giyante.
Next we can go for Abhyasa 187. 186 is the same. Da diyate, pa piyate, nirma nirmiyate, sta stiyate, and ra giyate. 186. So the tabular column which I took is from this page, 442.
Okay.
So if there is Rukara, then it becomes Re. Swapnaji, you can start again.
Which one? 187?
Yeah, 187.
Okay. Kr, kriyate, kriyete, kriyante. Br, briyate, briyete, briyante. Adr, adriyate, adriyete, adriyante. Jagr, jagaryate, 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 jagaryete, jagaryante.
Next we can go for 189. Jagru.
Sorry, Akila ji, did you say Jagra is the one that is
Yeah.
Vinna Rupam?
Yeah. Jagre, I don't know how it came as Jagaryate. I was checking because Adra is Adriyate, but how come Jagre is Jagaryate? I don't know. But it is given here. In Indriya also it is given like that only.
Okay.
Then we can go for 189.
So what's the answer? It's jagaryate, jagaryete, jagaryante.
Jagaryate, Jagaryete, Jagaryante. And Lavanya ji, can you go for 189? Now we are going to
Astu.
Rukara.
Rukara will become ear.
Ir.
अस्तु. कृ कीर्यते कीर्येते कीर्यन्ते. तृ तीर्यते तीर्येते तीर्यन्ते. गृ गीर्यते गीर्येते गीर्यन्ते. जृ ज्रीयेते जीर्येते जीर्यते जीर्येते जीर्यन्ते. पृ because it is pakara or vakara before the rukara, then we change it to pur.
Yeah.
Like
Upar,
ur
bhavishyati.
ur will come. Puryate puryete puryante. Vru vuryate vuryete vuryante.
Next 190 is simple only. We can go for 193. I have like noted down which abhyasas are a bit tricky.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಭಗಿನಿ.
193.
ಸರಿ.
Who has to start? Anilji. Anilji.
Yes. अस्तु. बालः पाठं पठति. बालेन पाठः पठ्यते. छात्रः श्लोकं वदति. छात्रेण श्लोकः उच्यते. गुरुः पाठम् अध्यापयति. गुरुणा पाठः अध्याप्यते. आरक्षकः चोरं गृह्णाति. आरक्षकेण चोरः गृह्यते. अधिकारी सेवकं कथयति. अधिकारिणा सेवकः कथ्यते. भगिनी ग्रन्थम् उद्घाटयति. भगिनी नदी शब्दवत्, राइट? नद्यौ नो नद्या. भगिन्या ग्रन्थं
पुंलिङ्गे
ग्रन्थः खलु.
ग्रन्थः उद्घाट्यते.
प्रिया भगिनी.
बालकः श्रूयते वा? बालकः देवं नमति. बालकेन देवः नम्यते. One second. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. बालकेन देवः नम्यते. ऋषिः ईश्वरं भजति. ऋषिणा ईश्वरः भज्यते. रमेशः सुरेशं ताडयति. रमेशेन सुरेशः ताड्यते. अहं शिलाखण्डं स्पृशामि. मया शिलाखण्डः स्पृश्यते. Oh no, not स्पृश्यते. Yeah, स्पृश्यते. Correct. It doesn't follow aham. स्पृश्यते. सः विद्यालयं गच्छति. तेन विद्यालयः गम्यते.
जया भगिनी.
अध्यापकः विद्यार्थिनी बोध्यति. अध्यापकेन विद्यार्थिनी बोध्यते. सा लेखनीं रक्षति. तया लेखनी रक्ष्यते. एषा मालां जपति. एतेन Oh, this is Esha, right? Etaya mala japyate. Dhirah samasyam vicharayati. Dhirena samasya vicharyate. Balah shilam kshipati. Balena shila क्षिप्यते.
आम्. अनुजः वृत्तान्तं निवेदयति. अनुजेन वृत्तान्तं स्त्रीलिङ्गं वा?
I think वृत्तान्तः, right?
आम्. अनुजेन वृत्तान्तः निवेद्यते. माता पुत्रीं प्रवर्तयति. मात्रा पुत्री प्रवर्त्यते. पितामही कथां कथयति. पितामह्या कथा कथ्यते. कपिः शाखां स्पृशति. कपिना शाखा स्पृश्यते. अहिः नदीं तरति. अहिना नदी तर्यते. तरति त्रियते.
Tarati is the different one.
Yeah,
Tiryate.
that is
I think it is
Puryate.
Tiryate. Tiryate. That's what we read.
Tiryate.
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 Pa varga tiryate.
So the dhatu is tru or tru. What is the dhatu?
Tru.
Tru.
Oh, so it will be tiryate.
Tiryate.
Dhatu is tru. Tru asti. So tiryate. Atad. Then Swapna ji.
आम्. So सः पदम् उच्चारयति. तेन पदम् उच्चार्यते. सा पुस्तकं परिशीलयति. तया, right? तया पुस्तकं परिशील्यते. सेवकः जलम् आनयति. सेवकेन जलम् आनीयते. चित्रकारः चित्रं रचयति. चित्रकारेण चित्रं रच्यते. कृषकः सस्यं पोषयति. कृषकेन right? कृषकेन
Natvam.
Shakarah asti.
कृषकेन सस्यं पोष्यते. Is that right? आरक्षकः यानं रोधयति. आरक्षकेन यानं रोध्यते.
Lavanya ji.
Is it rudhyate or rodhyate? Bhagini, is it rodhyate or rudhyate?
Rodeva, the dhatu they have given rod.
Dhatu, okay, rodhyate.
Yantrikah yantram parishodiati. Yantrikena yantram parishodyate. Munihi aranyam gacchati. Munina aranyah gachyate.
Gamyate.
Sorry, gamyate.
Aranyam va aranyah va. Aranyam is not
Aranyam napumsakalingam api asti iti chintayami.
So aranyam gamyate. Sa vastram kshalayati. Taya vastram kshalyate. Aham karyam sampadayami. Maya karyam sampadyate. Tvam patram preshayasi. Tvaya patram preshyate.
Then the exercise 197 is little tricky.
197.
This 194 and 195 same like this exercise, it will be similar. 197 will be little tricky. So Anil ji, can you go?
Astu, Madhya.
453.
Yes, I'm just looking at it. The example, Balena Granthaha Pat. Balena Granthau Pathyate.
Mahodaya, can you read, if you don't mind, can you read the...
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Oh, okay. Level. Okay. Karmani prayoge कर्मण अनुसारं क्रियापदस्य प्रयोगः भवति इति पूर्वम् उक्तम्। तत्र कर्मपदम् अनुसृत्य क्रियापदस्य वचनादिकं भवति। यथा निर्देशं कर्मपदस्य द्विवचनान्तं बहुवचनान्तं वा रूपं योजयन्तः कर्मणि वाक्यानि लिखतः। In English, I'll just read it. The verbal form is used as per the object in the passive voice. The number, etc. of the verbal forms are governed by the objects. Write the sentences either in dual or in plural as per the number supplied in the bracket. So 2 for Dvivachanam, 3 for Bahuvachanam. So example is Balena Grantah tu Patha. So Balena Granthau Pathyete. So Tena Deva 3 means you have to make it in Bahuvachanam Nam. So it will become Tena Devaha Namyante. Second sentence is Balakena Vakyam 3 means I have to make it Bahuvachanam Likha. So Balakena Vakyani Likhyante. Taya Geetam again Bahuvachanam and Gai Gi Dhatu. Okay. So Taya Geetani Giyante. Kavina Kavyam 2 we have to make Dvivachanam Rach. So Kavina Kavyam Kavye Rachyete. Maya Balah we have to make Bahuvachanam Such. So Maya Balaha Suchyante.
Suchyante.
Suchyante. Suchyante.
Priya Bhagini, next one.
Okay, 6, right? Etena lekhani kri. Etena, so 3 is Bahuvachanam. Lekhanyaha. Lekhanyaha kriyante. अध्यापकेन छात्रः द्विवचनं पाठ अध्यापकेन छात्रौ पाठ्येते जनैः कार्यं कृ जनैः कार्याणि क्रियन्ते 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 वा
क्रियन्ते
ह्रस्व क्रियन्ते त्वया शब्दः चिन्त त्वया शब्दाः चिन्त्यन्ते चिन्त्यन्ते वैद्येन रोगी दृश् वैद्येन रोगिणः वा रोगिणः दृश्यन्ते. Is that right?
आम्.
Next. Jaya Bhagini.
Balaya Syutah Kri. Balaya Syutau Kriyete. Granthapalena Grantah Vitru. Granthapalena Granthaha Vitiryante. Sevakena Sasye Ropyete. Krushakena Rushabhau Palyete. Arakshakena Chorau Grihyete.
Balakena Pale Kadyete. Sevikaya Patre Prakshalyete. Tena Balau Tadyete. Danikena Shunakau Poshyete.
Shouldn't it be Balau?
What I told, balau.
Bale. Mhm.
Bale, oh sorry. Balau only. तेन बालौ ताड्येते धनिकेन शुनकौ पोष्येते चालकैः यानानि चाल्यन्ते. Next, Swapnaji 198.
198 यथोदाहरणं कर्मणि वाक्यानि लिखतु. ओके, भक्तः देवान् नमति, भक्तेन देवाः नम्यन्ते. गुरुः शिष्यान् पाठयति, गुरुणा शिष्याः पाठ्यन्ते. अर्चकेन देवाः अर्च्यन्ते, शिक्षकेन बालौ right बालौ शिक्षकेन बालौ आहूयेते नायकेन सैनिकाः सूच्यन्ते. मया तौ दृश्येते.
वैद्यः रुग्णान् वदति, वैद्येन रुग्णाः उद्यन्ते. त्वं बालिके पीडयसि, त्वया बालिके पीड्येते. कृष्णः गोपीः अनुगृह्णाति, कृष्णेन गोपीः अनुगृह्यन्ते. द्विवचनं sorry बहुवचनं द्वितीया विभक्ति बहुवचनं.
So Prathama Vibhakti will be?
So that would be गोप्यः अनुगृह्यन्ते. माला ते what is that द्वि इत्युक्ते?
So it's स्त्रीलिङ्गं ते.
अस्तु. माला ते प्रेषयति, मालया ते प्रेष्यन्ते.
ते अस्ति.
Sorry, this is द्विवचनं, प्रेष्येते. रमाकान्तः छात्रान् अभिनन्दति, रमाकान्तेन छात्राः अभिनन्द्यन्ते.
गौतमी कार्याणि करोति, गौतमया कार्याणि
गौतम्या
अस्तु गौतम्या कार्याणि क्रियन्ते. प्रकाशः पत्राणि आनयति, प्रकाशेन पत्राणि आनीयन्ते. नारायणः ग्रन्थौ नयति, नारायणेन ग्रन्थौ नीयते. प्रतिमा स्यूतान् स्थापयति, प्रतिमया स्यूताः स्थाप्यन्ते. सीता कविते पठति, सीतया कविते पठ्येते.
रमा पद्ये लिखति, रमया पद्ये लिख्येते. महिला शाटिकाः प्रक्षालयति, महिलया शाटिकाः प्रक्षाल्यन्ते. सेविका प्रकोष्ठौ मार्जयति, सेविकया प्रकोष्ठौ मार्जयेते. मार्जयेते
मार्ज्येते
मार्ज्येते मार्ज्येते वा
मार्ज्येते
मार्ज्येते not मार्जयेते okay मार्ज्येते स्वामी सेवकान् निन्दति स्वामिना right yeah स्वामिना सेवकाः निन्द्यन्ते बालकः नगराणि पश्यति बालकेन नगराणि पश्यन्ते दृश्यन्ते sorry दृश्यन्ते.
The next one also we can do because it is little, it has new the special forms. Jaya,
विशेष क्रियापदानि.
Okay. लता वस्त्रं क्रीणाति लतया वस्त्रं क्रीयते छात्रः विषयं जानाति छात्रेण विषयः ज्ञायते सुधा पुष्पाणि चिनोति सुधया पुष्पाणि चीर्यन्ते is it चीयन्ते okay चीयन्ते क्षम्यताम् शिष्यः स्यूतं नयति शिष्येण स्यूतः नीयते महिला शाटिकां क्रीणाति महिलया शाटिका क्रीयते
रविः जलं पिबति रविना जलं पीयते कविः विचारान् सङ्गृह्णाति कविना विचाराः सङ्गृह्यन्ते भीमः पुस्तकानि क्रीणाति भीमेन पुस्तकानि क्रीयन्ते अहं वस्तूनि नयामि मया वस्तूनि नीयन्ते वस्तूनि is plural right नीयन्ते धनिकः धनं ददाति धनिकेन धनं दीयते
बालकः कार्यं करोति बालकेन कार्यं क्रियते right is it
क्रियते
सजीवः भाषणं जानाति सजीवेन भाषणं ज्ञायते right गीता शाकं नयति गीतया शाकं is शाकं or शाकः पुंलिङ्गे वा
शाकः
I think it's pullinga शाकः शाकाः
I think so. Okay, गीतया शाकः नीयते ते पुस्तकानि स्वीकुर्वन्ति
Shaka is actually both.
both okay
सः तौ ते so युष्माभिः वा युष्माभिः
तैः
oh really is that
Tad
तद् शब्दं
सा तौ ते okay तैः
रामैः दत्तवत्
okay तैः पुस्तकानि क्रियन्ते correct
ह्रस्व स्वीक्रियन्ते
स्वी will be दीर्घ दाने
स्वी will be दीर्घ
क्रियन्ते okay मालाकारी पुष्पाणि चिनोति मालाकार्या is that right मालाकार्या पुष्पाणि चीयन्ते
आम्
चीयन्ते
Malakari actually is Malakarin.
oh really
Malakari is no there is ikar in the strilinga correct
नदी शब्द no
नदी शब्दवत्
नदी शब्दः right
No,
मालाकारी नास्ति
are you talking like adhikari
yeah, I think so.
oh.
I thought it's नदी
No,
शब्दः
no.
मालाकार्या
नदी शब्दवत् एव
Lavanya Bhagini.
अस्तु सैनिकः युद्धं जानाति सैनिकेन युद्धं युद्धम् इस् नपुंसकलिङ्गं वा
आम्
युद्धं ज्ञायते मनुः फलरसं पिबति मनुना फलरसः पीयते शिशुः
फलरसः
फलरसः
that is okay, that is pullinga is also
rasa.
there and napumsakalingam is also there. Rasam and rasaha both are there, but I heard piyante, that's what I asked.
पीयते
I-
शिशुः चलनं न जानाति शिशुना चलनं न ज्ञायते राधा शाटिकां नयति राधया शाटिका नीयते शिक्षिका लेखनीं क्रीणाति शिक्षिकया लेखनी क्रीयते
So actually the time is up, actually 9:30 and almost all exercises are over. Next bhave prayoga eva asti.
I won't join next week. I am out of town. Can you, after the class next week, is there any way you all can say what were the exercises done, so at least I can practice that at home?
Yeah, we'll be sharing this. This Parichaya Abhyasa is in our drive. So anytime you can open and look. These two are in our drive only.
Okay, no, I just want next week, maybe I'll call one of you all to find out or text to find out which are the exercises that were done, that were completed. So that I will do myself at home.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what Akila Mohdaya is saying, that whatever we do is mentioned in the Parichaya Abhyasa PPT file.
More than
No,
what we do is mentioned here. We are like
I thought more than what we do is mentioned. Yeah.
Okay, we'll keep
actually
it.
Swapna ji have listed Karmani in Bhasha Pravesha, Vakya Vyavahara and Gita Sopanam, but we did only in Vakya Vyavahara only.
So
Yeah, I think
Bhasha
what all
Pravesha
is
and Gita
intended.
Sopana.
Go ahead, sorry.
Go ahead.
Bhagini, go ahead.
No, Bhasha Pravesha and Gita Sopana are very similar. So.
Okay.
But we can go
I
for
think-
Bhasha Pravesha. Sorry.
She lists whatever is supposed to be covered, but we don't end up covering all of that.
Correct. We have to do it
Yeah.
ourselves.
We'll do that. We'll do the exercise number. We'll give
Okay,
you the
yeah.
exercise number.
Yeah, I'll just cover that myself.
So next week what are we going to look into?
The next portion is Ta Pratyaya. Ta Pratyaya is there. I think it will be like simple only when compared to Karmani. We can add up if anything we want.
I thought we were doing Vidhiling. I practiced so much Vidhiling this weekend. In my sleep, I'm remembering Vidhiling now.
Nice.
No worries. In 2 weeks, I'll forget all of that. So
Okay. Next week we'll do Vidhiling so that it will be, you won't miss anything.
oh, that will be awesome. That would be awesome.
Vidhiling and Ta Pratyaya.
Okay.
Okay, we'll finish it. Jaya Bhagini, can you say the prayers?
Jaya Bhagini is not there. Is she there?
Yeah, she messaged it that she has left.
Okay.
Swapna ji can.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ तत्सत् हरि ओम् श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः धन्यवादाः सर्वेभ्यः
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादाः Clarji. You've done a great job.
Yeah, this is so good.
She actually, Swapna ji has given the list. Where to stop the recording, I forgot. Sorry.
Same place where you started, possibly.
Okay.
Yeah.